friends, today I will read a chapter from the Computer Education course book. Please read with me and sorry for any mistake. So let's get started. So friends, the chapter's name is Step by Step. To get ready for school, you get out of bed, brush your teeth, take a bath and wear your school uniform. We say these are some steps to get ready for school. Usually we do a task step by step. What does that mean? It means to do a task, we do things one after the another. Each of the things we do is a step, and we have to do these steps in the correct order. Here are the steps for wearing socks and shoes which have laces. Step 1. Wear the socks. Step 2. Slip on the shoes. Step 3. Tie the laces. Clearly, these steps have to be followed in the correct order. You cannot wear the socks after putting on the shoes. Can you think of other things that we do step by step? Growing plants from seeds is an example. Step 1. Take a seed. Step 2. Plant the seed in the soil. Step 3. Keep the soil moist by watering it. A plant appears after a few days. Sometimes we have to repeat steps while doing a task. Suppose you have to write the steps to get the pattern shown. To color a square, you have to reach it first. You can move to the next square by saying move right, move left, move up or move down. To color a square, say color. The steps for getting the pattern are: Step 1. Move right. Step 2. Move right. Step 3. Color. Step 4. Move down. Step 5. Move down. Step 6. Move down. Step 7. Color. Step 8. Move down. Step 9. Move left. Step 10. Color. We can write the steps in short as: move right 2 times, color, move down 3 times, color, move down, move left, color. Trace the steps with a pencil. Often there are different ways of doing a task. For example, the last 3 steps above can be move left, move down, color. The steps on the right will also get the same pattern, but this method is slightly longer. We usually choose the shortest way of doing a task. Move down 4 times, move right, color, move up, move right, color, move up 3 times, color. You can think of the step by step method of doing things as a recipe for doing a task. Here are the steps for making potato chips. They give you the recipe for making potato chips. Step 1. Wash potatoes. Step 2. Peel the potatoes. Step 3. Slice the potatoes. Step 4. Fry the chips in hot oil. Step 5. Add salt to the chips and mix. We can show the recipe for making potato chips like this. Start. Wash potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Slice the potatoes. Fry the chips in hot oil. Add salt to the chips and mix. Stop. The drawing we made to show the recipe is called a flowchart. The flowchart of a task is drawing shows how different shapes follow each other. Different kinds of steps are written in the different shapes. And the shapes are connected by arrows to show the correct order to follow. Two common common shapes are shown below. They need not be colored. A rectangle is used for an action. This shape or an oval is used to show the start and the end of a flowchart. What happens when the teacher asks you to add two numbers? You act the same way as a computer. You listen to the sum. This is the input step. Your brain adds the number to find the answer. This is the processing step. Then you say or write the answer. This is the output step. We can show this as follows. Step 1. Listen to the sum. Step 2. Add the numbers. Step 3. Say the answer. Start. Listen to the sum. Add the numbers. Say the answer. Stop. In flowcharts, we do not use rectangles for the input and output steps. For input and output, we use the shape shown below. There are many systems that get inputs, do things based on the inputs and give an output. A TV system is an example. Here is how a TV system shows us different programs. Step 1. Get channel number as input. Step 2. Tune to the channel. Step 3. Show the programming on that channel. Start. Get the number. Tune to the channel. Show the programming on the channel. Stop. Soon you will learn to write programs. Programs have step-by-step instructions in code. Writing programs becomes easier if we first write down the steps or make a flowchart. Let us suppose you have to write a program that changes rupees into paise. Rupees into paise. You can write the steps and make a flowchart like this. Step 1. Get rupees as input. Step 2. Find paise is equals to rupees into 100. Step 3. Show paise answer. Start. Get rupees. Paise is equals to rupees into 100. Show paise. Stop. So friends, please like the video, subscribe our channel and write in the comment box very nice video. So till then,